Hey guys, welcome back to Home Built, and today we're going to sort out that fruit. So we're on the final stretch now on this Beetle, and one of the last things to sort out is sorting out the mess that's happening in the fruit. For those who don't understand what I'm talking about the front boot in the Beetle. So all right, let's get in there and see what we got. Taking the bonnet off makes it much easier to get in here anyway, but it's the first I've actually had a look at this spare tyre, and yeah, it's pretty rough. it's flat and it's really bold, so I think we need to do something about that. That's part one anyway, but moving on. I think for starters I need to get in here and just give it a clean. It's just filthy with years of grime and disgusting mess, and yeah, first things first is get rid of excess rubbish, wires and bits and pieces, and vacuum it out and give it a prep so and see what we got. Okay, cleaning is getting there slowly, but next thing, I have to definitely do something about this purple bonnet hinge, so I'm going to pull them both out so I get better access in here, and definitely give them a coat of paint before they go back in. Alright, so now I've cleaned out all of these edges. The old seam sealer is completely gone, so I've just got some seam sealer here. I'm going to go over that again, and also this cover that goes over here has also come out, so I'm just going to put some seam sealer over all of it so it sort of seals it all back in again, and hopefully lasts another few years before I put the paint on. Okay, seam sealer is done, and it takes about 15-20 minutes to get a skin on it, which will give me plenty of time to go around and do masking where I need to do masking. Alright, I'm not going to town with the masking. I've got the basics masked up for now. I just want it good enough, and I can move things out of the way and do that sort of stuff. So now I've got my satin black, and it's time to give this a quick coat over everything, just so that I have a nice neat looking engine bay. All right, there's my very quick and nasty black paint job in the engine bay. I'm not overly fussed about making everything absolutely perfect in here, and it's definitely not. It's just putting a bit of lipstick on a pig, really. So in any case, it looks a lot nicer than it did. So the next thing I want to do is I want to build a cover for sort of along here, just a vertical cover. So I'm going to get out my cardboard and see what I can sort of cobble together.
Little.
Alright, so I've made a couple of my cardboard mock-ups here. I've remounted these bonnet hinges because I made this top cardboard mock-up and then almost forgot to put these in, so it came all the way over, and then realised that it was going to foul on the bonnet hinges. So the bonnet hinges are in, this cardboard mock-up is here, and I've got my, my lower cardboard mock-up as well, ready to go. So now I'm going to take my cardboard templates and transfer them onto my 5mm MDF board and cut them out. Alright, so I've cut my, my templates out. They're really quick and rough. I'm not spending a whole heap of time on this car. It doesn't have to be perfect. And I've got a bunch of this carpet left over from the 911 build. It's just a black marine carpet. And I don't actually have any contact adhesive left. So what I'm going to use is I've got a whole bunch of this house construction adhesive that I'm going to use. So I'm going to cover this whole thing in construction adhesive and then glue the carpet onto my base plate.
Ryan Little.
Okay, bonnet's back on and I've got my, my lower carpet piece in and I've made this panel up. Now, the last thing I really need to do is actually work out how to fit it. So I've actually seen that on this vent panel up the top here, this actually tucks underneath. I've made it so that it just tucks under. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add some screws down in here to screw it in on either side, and hopefully that will lock it into place. Okay, so this is all done. It's not quite to the OCD level of what I did on the 911 Fruit, but this is looking a whole lot better than it did this morning. So basically, I think that's good enough for me, and that means I'm out of time, and it must be time for Fun Facts with Mrs. Jeff.
Hey guys. In 1957, the Australian-made content of the Beetle reached 51%. The new plan is for Australia to start manufacturing Beetles to service Australia, of course, but also the South Pacific, and to create a Volkswagen manufacturing hub similar to those in Brazil and South Africa. Late 1957 also saw some more changes to the car, with larger rear windows and larger windscreens. Both the Ampol and Mobile gas trials went ahead that year. The Ampol trial saw 72 starters with 42 finishes, and Volkswagen taking out first and second place. The competing Mobile gas trial had 86 starters with only 52 finishes. 23 Volkswagen started with 18 finishing the event, and Volkswagen taking out first, second, third, fourth, fifth and sixth.
Okay guys, that was another productive day. I'm really happy with the end result in here. It's looking really good. So I won't be doing a Beetle episode next week because I will be in LA. So any of you who want to catch up with me, keep an eye on Facebook, Instagram, whatever. I'll contact you via that and let you know if I'm doing some sort of meetup. Hopefully I'll be filming videos every day while I'm there, so there should be about 5 daily vids on the engine build on the Porsche, which should be great. So we'll keep an eye out for that, and we'll get back into this as soon as I land back in Australia. So alright guys, and as always, please like and subscribe to Home Built by Jeff. Help the channel out, get some shirts, hoodies and all that sort of stuff, and follow us on Facebook and Instagram. See you guys.
Similar to the other hubs. Damn it. And to service South Pacific. Oh god, it's going to take forever. Yeah, no, I just can't. With new, larger, I don't know what, 56 finishes. 52. That wasn't quite right, was it?